all, this is Shivang Vashne. Welcome back to our session. Today we will learn about square root and cube root, how to calculate the square root and cube root. In the earlier session we will discuss what is square, what is cube, and multiplication tricks, how to solve the multiply within seconds quickly. In the competitive exam, the square root and cube root is frequently asked. That's why we discuss about the square root and cube root today. So now move to the first topic of the day, that is square root. We know the sum basic square, that is 1 square is how much? 1. 2 square is how much? 2. 2 square is how much? 4. 3 square is how much? 9. 4 square is how much? 16. 5th square is how much? 25. 6 square is how much? 36. 7 square is how much? 49. 8 square is how much? 64. 9 square is how much? 81. And 10 square is how much? 100. We seems the repeated numbers comes at this units place 1, 4, 9. Yes, 1, 4, 9, 6, 6 repeated at the units place. That's why if units digit is 1, then its square root is either 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Next is, if the square of any number that is ending on 4, that means unit digit is 4, then we can say its square root either can be 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Next is 9. If the square ending on the units digit that is 9, then the square root of 9 can be ending on 3 and 7. 3 and 7. If this 6 is the square's units place, then it can be either 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Once remaining 5 is if the square of any number is 5, then its also square root is also ending on 5. Next is, if the square of any number ending on 0, then it's also square root ending with 0. Next, let's see, we note down in the short. One and 9. Here 4, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Here if ending on 9, then it comes 3 and 7. If it comes on 6, then the square root ending on 4 and 6, and 5 ending on 5, and 0 ending on 0. Let's take an example by which we understand how to calculate the square root of any number. 6084, square root of this number. First of all, consider the unit digit. Unit digit is 4, so we can say the square root's units place is either 2 or 8. Now separate the first two digits and take them and check them in which we lies them. 7 square is how much? 7 square is how much? 49, and here's 8 square is how much? 64. Now 64 is greater than 60, that's why it's leave by us. Next is 7 square is 49, that is below than the 60, that's why we taken the tens place as 7. Now multiply the 7 by its successor, that is 8 multiplied by 7 is how much? That is 56. Now comparison these value with this one. 56, 60. 56 is lesser than 60. If the value multiplication is lesser than 60, lesser than the given value, then we take the higher value. That means here's we take 7, here's we take 8. That is the square root of how much? 78. Next is, let's take another example by which we understand how to calculate the seven, 9, 2, 1 is the square root of which one? Here's number ending on 1. So 1 square root unit digit either maybe 1 and 9. Next, consider the first two digits. 79 comes under which squares? Comes under 8 square 64. Here's 9 square is 81. 81 is greater than 79. That's why it's leave by us. Now consider the 8 multiply by its successor, that is 9. That is we get the 72. Now comparison these both value, 72 and 79. 72 is lesser than 79. Then we take the 8 from here and greater value from here. Here we get the square root of 7921 is how much? 89. Next is, we take another example, 20449. Consider the unit digits, that is 9. 9's square root ending on either 3 or 7. Clear? Now consider the first 3 digits, left the two digits, that is here's 4. 204 comes under what? 14 square is 196, and here's 15 square is 225. Now 225 is greater than 204, that's why we leave this. Now consider the 14 multiply by 15 is equal to how much? 15 4 ja 60. 60 is 0. Carry 6. 15 1 ja 15 plus 6, that is 210. 210. Now comparison both these value, 204 and 210. 210 is greater than 204. So we take 14 from the here, and now consider the lesser value from the here. We will get the square root of what? 20449 square root is 143. Let's take another example, that is 23716 ending on 6. Now the units place is 6. Let's see, the square roots unit digit is either 4 or 6. Now consider the first three digits 2, 3, 7. Here 15 square is how much? 225. Here 16 square is how much? 256. We know all these square up to 25. That's why we note down the easily. Now comparison the value 237 is greater than 225, but it is lesser than 256. That's why we leave this value. Now multiply 15 by its successor, that is 16. 16 multiplied by 5, that is 80. 80 is 8, carry 8. 16 1 16 plus 8, that is 240. 240. Now comparison with 240, 237. 240 is greater than 237. Take the 1 5 from the here, and now lesser value from the here, because it is greater than the given value. That's why we take lesser value. We calculated the square root of 23716 is 154. Next is 38416. That is, here's units place is also 6. That's why the square roots units place either it will 6 or and 4. Next is consider the first three digits. 384 comes under what? 19 square is how much? 361, and 20 square is how much? 400. 400 is greater than 384. That's why leave this value. Now multiply by the its successor. 19 multiplied by 20, that is 380. 380. Now comparison 380 with 384. 384. 380 is lesser than 384. That's why 19 from here and take the greater value from here. That's why we get the 196 is the square root of 38416. Clear? I hope you are getting this concept. Next one is, let's take another example by which we understand more. Here's 13924. The square root of how much? 4 is the units place. That's why 4 comes under the square root either 2, 8. Next consider the first three digits. 139. Here's 12. 11 square is 121. Here's 12 square is 144. 144 is greater than 139, and 121 here is less than 139. That's why leave the 144. Now 11 multiply by its successor, that is 12. We get the 132 from here. Now comparison 132 and 139. 132 is lesser than 139, so we get 11 from here and greater value from here. We get the 118 is the square root of 13924. 13924 is the square of 118. Clear? Let's take another example to get the concept clearly. This one is 64009 is the square root of what? Next 9, it will be the square roots either 3 and 7 at the unit digits. Now consider the 640. Here's 25 square is 625. Next is 26 square is 676. Clear? 640 is greater than 625 and 676 is greater than 640. That's why we leave this. Now multiply the 25 by 26. 26 multiplied by 5, that is 130, carry 13. 26 multiplied by 2, that is 52. 52 plus 13, that is 650. Now 650, comparison both the values 650 and 640. 650 is greater than 640, then take 25 from here and lesser value from here. 253 is the square root of 64009 is the square of 253. Clear? I hope you understand all this concept. Next, take the last example, 4624. 4 ending on either 2 and either 8. Clear? Now take first two digits, 46. Here's 6 square is 36. Here's 7 square is 49. Here's it is value greater than 46. Then we leave this and consider the 6 multiply by its successor is equal to 42. Now comparison both the value 42 and 46. 42 is less than 46. Here 6. Now consider the greater value, 68 square. 68 4624 is the square root of what? 68. Now move to the next topic of the day, that is cube root. That is cube. We know some cubes. That is 1's cube is how much? 1. 2's cube is how much? 8. 3's cube is how much? 27. 4's cube is how much? 64. 5's cube is how much? 125. 6 cube is 216. 7's cube is how much? 343. Here's 8's cube is how much? 512. 9's cube is how much? 729. Here's 10's cube is how much? 1000. We see that 1's cube is always ending on unit digits ones. Next is here's 4 is ending on 4s, 5 is ending in 6, 6 is ending in 6, 9 is ending in 9, 10 is ending in 0. Here's unit place is 0 is ending on always 0. So now if the unit digit of number, then the cube root of what? If the unit digit ending on 2, that's its units place cube root is 8. If it is 3, it is ending on 3, that's its units place cube root is 7. Next is here's 7 is ending, here's the number is ending on 7, then the cube roots units place is, that is 3. Here's if the number is ending on 8, then the cube roots unit place is 2. So we can see 2, if number is 2, if number is ending on 2, then its cube roots units place is 8. If the units place of q is 8, then its cube roots units place is 2. So now we can note down in this form like this: 2 irreversible 8. If 2 ending on 2, then 8. If ending on 2 ending on 8, then its cube root is 2. Here's 3 and 7 is also like the same. Now take an example: 2, 4, 3, 8, 9. Here's power is 1 by 3. That means cube root. Clear? Now step last digit is what? That is 9. 9's cube root units place is also 9. Clear? Here's 9. Then cube roots of 9's units place is, that is also 9. Now cut the last 3 digits. Then 2 and 4. Here's 2's cube is how much? 8. Here's 2's cube is how much? 27. Select lesser cube value from here, that is 8 is lesser than 24. Here 27 is greater than by 24. So leave this. Sorry, 3's cube is less. 3's cube is how much? 27. So 27 is greater than by 24. That's why we leave this. Now consider the 2 from here and 9 from here. The cube root of 2, 4, 3, 8, 9 is how much? That is 29. Clear? Now takes another example by which we can understand. 1, 7, 5, 6, 1, 6. Here is the cube root of, we want to calculate the cube root of this number. Last digit is 6, which is ending on 6. Then its units place, cube roots units place is also 6. Cut the last 3 digits. 175. Now 175 comes under which range? 125 and 216. So 5's cube is how much? 125. 6 cube is how much? 216. 216 is greater than 175, and here 215 is lesser than 175. Take lesser value from here. So we leave this value, and 5, 6 is the cube root of 175. 616 is the, here we can note down 175,616 cube root is how much? 56. Let's take another example by which we can understand the concept clearly. Let's take another example: 830,584. 4 is ending on, here's the cube's units place is 4. That's why the cube root of units place digit is also 4. That now cut the last three value and note down the 830. 830 comes under what condition? 729 and 1000. So we take 9's cube, which is how much? 729. So now we calculated the cube root of 830,584 is how much? 94. Eight 30584 is the cube root of what? 94. Let's take some few examples by which we get the condition of others. suppose we get the 205379 is the cube root of what? Now 9, if the q's unit digits is 9, then q roots unit digit it is also 9. Now consider the first 3 digits, because left the last 3 digits. Now 205 comes under which condition? 5's cube is equal to 125. Here 6 cube is how much? 216. 216 is greater than 205. That's why we consider this one. 5, 9 is the cube root of what? 205379. Next is, let's take example of this one. 314432. 314432 is, here's the cube root of, if ending on 2, then its cube roots unit digits place is 8. Clear? Left the last 3 digits. 314 comes under which category? 314 comes under 6q and 7q. 6q is how much? 6q is how much? 216. And 7q is how much? 343. Clear? 343 is greater than 314. 216 is lesser than 314. That's why we consider this one. So now combine the value. 6, here's 8 is the cube root of 314432. Clear? Now we get the last example of this one. Here's 50653. We want to calculate if the cube of unit digits of cube, that is 3, then its cube root ending on 7. Clear? Left the last 3 digits. 50 is remaining. Now 50 comes under which category? 3's cube and 4's cube. 4's cube is 64. 3's cube is 27. 27 is lesser than 50. 64 is greater than 50. That's why we left the 64. Now combine the here 3 and 7. 37 is the cube root of 500. 50653. 50653 is the cube root of what? 37. Clear? Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and refer to your friends as much as possible, and we will more content for you if you give valuable response to us. We will back soon. Thank you.